Yes, hello everyone. Namaste to all of you and Master Jay here. So today I'm going to teach you some asanas which is very useful for weight loss. So आप भी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए वेट लॉस के रिगार्डिंग जो भी आसन्स रहेंगे आपके आप इनको डेली रूटीन में आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन लॉस योर belly fat and your body weight. So first of all, just sit into the sitting position, your legs straight, and then Paschimottanasana, raise your hands up, inhale, and with exhale you have to bend forward. So remember, you can bending forward here while bending straight your leg. So here you can do it like to the 4 or 5 times minimum. 4 से 5 बार तक आप सिंपल फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग कीजिए, आगे की तरफ झुकेंगे. अगर किसी को बैक पेन है दे विल डू द नॉर्मल forward bending, and in the last you can stay in this and you can hold this pose. 5 4 3 2 1 and then come back. Inhale and exhale के साथ just relax. After this, bend your knee, your legs, and then you are both legs straight here. Just straight leg, feet together, hands straight, back straight, and your belly in. So you have to stay in this position at least 30 seconds. So 5 4 3 2 1. After this, just bend your knee, your hands behind up, inhale, and exhale, just lift your hip up. 5 4 3 2 1 and come back. Inhale and exhale. Here you can drop your elbow down. Just drop your elbow, just engage your core muscles, use your both legs up. Just stay in this position first. 5 4 3 2 1 and then slowly your both legs one by one up and down. So here this exercise also give little bit more stretch for your belly and it's easy for loss belly fat. So you can do legs up and down. Also after 10 or 20 times you can do straight leg. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and continuous do it 20 times. So after done it with 20 times, you can lying down with your back here. Breathe in and breathe out. Raise your hands up, inhale and exhale. So here also you can go with the 10 times simple up and down. If you want more focus onto the breath, so just up and down. Inhale, exhale, up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So here you can do it according to your limit also. Everyone have different kind of limit. So you can start with the 5 or 10 and as much you can then stay in this position. 5 4 3 2 1. You can do minimum 20 times and just relax here. After this, legs straight and both legs up. Just stay in this. 5 4 3 2 1 and come back down. After that, one by one, leg up and down, just with your hands up, leg up together like this. 1 right leg, 2 left leg. Okay, breathing up, down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So here also you can do 20 times to 30 times and then stay in this position with up more. Feel here. 5 4 3 2 1 down, opposite side, up and stay again once again. 5 4 3 2 and 1. Breathe in and breathe out. Wind release pose, Pavan Muktasana. After this, bend your knee, your leg, hug it, push it, and then your chest up, elbow close, one leg up. So here also very good pose. 5 4 3 2, 1. Down. Same with opposite side. Hug your knee. Inhale and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. With your both legs. Hug your knee. Chest up and stay in this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Now after this, everyone just coming to the sitting position. So these all are the positions, some postures, asanas. You can do it, and easily you can use your belly fat. Believe me guys, these are the very good poses, and if you practice continue, अगर आप daily practice करोगे इसके बेस पे तो easily आप अपना weight को lose कर सकते हो, and you can have a very slim body. So thank you so much guys, and if you like it, please give me your comments also, and thank you so much. See you in your next video. Namaste.